Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Nikai Smart TV supports Bluetooth audio and have the speaker in pairing mode. This avoids wasted steps. On the TV, open settings, go straight to sound, then Bluetooth audio devices to begin scanning. You do this because the TV must initiate the connection protocol. The TV discovers devices and manages audio routing. Once the TV is actively scanning, keep the speaker close and avoid other Bluetooth devices nearby so the TV sees the correct speaker quickly. You now select the speaker name from the TV's list. This instructs the TV to exchange pairing information. If the TV requests a PIN, enter 0000 or 1234. Many speakers use these defaults because that completes authentication. After selection, the TV and speaker negotiate profiles and audio roles, so be patient while it shows connected. Once connected, set sound output to Bluetooth on the TV to force audio out through the speaker rather than internal speakers. You finish by playing video and adjusting both TV volume and the speaker's gain so levels match. If audio is delayed, try toggling TV audio settings like lip sync. If connection fails, remove the speaker from the TV's paired list, power cycle both devices, then repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles. If you still hear dropouts, make sure other Bluetooth are too. 4 GHz devices aren't causing interference, move the speaker or router, and then retest, because physical placement often fixes intermittent audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.